On a bright sunny day in Florida, a random lightning strike hit this tree. This occurrence is pretty rare, but lightning can strike even if the closest storm is 25 miles away. This guy has a fish that spits at him every time he stops by to say hello. This is a sperm whale. Not only is it the loudest animal in the world, but it creates one of the loudest sounds ever. The clicks these whales make reach about 200 to 230 decibels, which is louder than a rocket ship or a volcanic eruption.
These clicks are so powerful in the water that they can blow out your eardrums easily, and they can actually vibrate a human body to death.
Bros better not only know me.
Aw, dang, that's crazy.
This goose came and scared away this gorilla. Have you ever been in such a hurry that your boat starts flying? This photographer captured this amazing shot up in the North Atlantic Ocean. Here's a time lapse of a little pea growing. That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.
The decellularization process of a spinach leaf. Scientists are removing the cells from this leaf so that all that remains is the scaffold. This isn't blood, it's just red dye to simulate what blood would look like going through the veins of this leaf. The next step would be to fill the leaf with cells of a different organism. Scientists believe it will soon be possible to grow anything from animal meat to a human heart using this method. This lizard thought this person was a predator, so it purposely detached its tail from its body. It's a defense mechanism the lizard uses that's completely harmless, and the tail will grow back in a few months.
Jaden has one dollar bill, one quarter, and 2 cents. How much money does he have?
This person was caught fixing the wing of this commercial airplane using duct tape and a credit card to smooth it out. The good news is that the plane did take off without any issues.
Through the highways,
There's a company that can build a pool that can appear and disappear at the push of a button. This YouTuber wanted to see if he could play video games on his calculator while having it be powered entirely by potatoes.
No batteries, only wires. Right back into the action. I can't believe it. This is doing running on potatoes.
This mama bear was hunting for fish in this river when she saw both of her cubs go right over the falls. She swam after them and helped get them to safety. That's the end of this video. Hopefully this pleasant cat put a smile on your face, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.